Well, hi, welcome to the garden. Sure glad you showed up. I'm ready for a break. This morning we went ahead and filled in this area. Today is Saturday and you know what that means. And if you're new to my channel, you're in for a real treat. We're going to do a quick review of this garden, then we're going to go to you. We're going to celebrate what's going on in your garden. We've had a little reprieve from the cool weather the last couple days. It rained all day yesterday, most of the morning. Our bok choy, our kale, our beets, they're all doing really well. Our Swiss chard is loving this kind of weather. And we're going to have fresh garden lettuce for Christmas. I'm kind of working my way back here because I want to show you something. The beets, the spinach, the carrots, the cabbage are thriving in this weather. And you were here when we planted these the other day. We've got turnips up. And in the raised bed, we've got broccoli coming up. The raised bed, the August carrots, and the volunteer radishes back here, we're set up pretty well. But we're not set up quite as well as our friends down in Texas. Take a look at Mike and Linda's garden. Linda's also been laying in the mulch. She's been mowing her leaves, but look at the variety of greens that they have for Christmas dinner. Mike, Linda, thank you. This is wonderful. This community is amazing, and I hope you consider joining us. We're just a loose-knit group of people that like to get our hands dirty and grow things that taste good. There's no commitment. Just send some pictures once in a while and let us celebrate what's going on in your garden. Our August beets and turnips are doing pretty well, and we got some onions coming up here. Our fall planting of carrots and radishes are doing well. I do need to bring mulch in over here. This is a great example of when it gets down to bare soil, it wants to stay covered. And we can either pull these or we can just cover this up. I've been kind of waiting to clear this area, and we're still harvesting good radishes there. Spinach is just coming up, but I will go ahead and bring some mulch in here. Speaking of a fall harvest, let's take a look at Walter's garden. Walter's got a really nice patch of carrots and his radishes are coming up well. He said he was really surprised at the amount of peppers he was able to get off. He's been hauling them in and out of the shed. They've lasted much longer than they have in years past. Walter, with those ghost peppers and Christmas dinner, it's going to be a warm one. Thank you. Walter, that was great. Now, if you hit the like button, that would tell YouTube to push this out to more people that might want to learn how to garden. This community gives me the motivation and the inspiration to come out here day after day and show you just what's possible in a deep mulch garden. And our ultimate goal is to be able to come out into the garden and eat all year long. Let's go on down to Florida and check out Bruce's deep mulch food forest. This is our ultimate goal. Bruce, this is the ultimate. Being able to walk outside and pick exotic fruits, papaya right off the tree, Meyer lemons. And this is an exotic orange looking fruit. I'm going to butcher the name. But this is why we do it, because it tastes great. Even the moringa tree, when it gets so big it tips over the containers. Everything in your garden is edible. That's our ultimate goal. Thank you for sharing what's possible, Bruce. Please leave a comment down below and let everybody know just how much you appreciate them sharing what's going on in their garden. You know, you really can do this too. If you work it at just a little bit each day, the potential is unlimited. Before you got here this morning, I went ahead and put in a whole bunch of leaves. I've got this whole corner of the garden now complete. Got this side all the way back to the back corner is complete. We've got a good portion of this middle done. We got several piles of wood chips already brought in. We'll spread that out at the very end, but we're getting pretty close, which is good because the shortest day of the year is 6 days away. And then Christmas is right behind that. Speaking of Christmas, if you went to my Amazon store, I do have some gift ideas there, and there's still time. The link will be in the description box below. And if you want to see what we planted last December, click that link right there and I'll meet you right back in the garden. Probably the same stuff we're going to plant this year, and I hope you join me for that. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.